Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can send Bitcoin on MoonPay app. So if you want to send Bitcoin to another wallet, then MoonPay really makes it easy. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to your homepage, and once you're here, again, you do have to log in first before accessing this, and you do have to create your profile to verify your account and activate your portfolio for smooth transaction. So once you're here, what you will have to do is look for the send crypto feature. So you do have to make sure first that you do have that feature, and once you see send crypto, just click it, and then you will select Bitcoin. And once you're here, what you will have to do is you will enter the recipient wallet address or scan QR code, and then you will enter the amount and then review the fees and confirm. And after all that, you will just have to complete the verification if required, and you will just have to wait for the blockchain confirmation, and the Bitcoin will be sent. And also, you should always make sure to check the address carefully because transactions cannot be reversed. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.